At Veo, delivering excellent customer care to all of our passengers is our top priority. Many of our passengers are medical patients, and as a partner of Veo, you are required to follow HIPAA standards. So what is HIPAA? HIPAA stands for Health, Insurance, Portability, and Accountability Act. And what does this mean? In 2003, Title II of HIPAA was established, which requires the Federal Department of Health and Human Services to establish national standards for electronic healthcare transactions and code sets, establish national identifiers for providers, health plans, and employers, address the security of health data, address the privacy of health data. This means the security, privacy, and protection of our passengers' health data is an essential part of our operation. Because our partner drivers are considered business associates under HIPAA, they are also considered a covered entity and carry the responsibility of protecting our passengers' health information. When our partner drivers are offered non-emergency medical transport trips, they will be given personal information about medical patients. This personal information is also known as PHI, or Protected Health Information. So what is Protected Health Information, or PHI? It is individually identifiable health information transmitted or maintained in any form or medium, which is held by a covered entity or its business associate, identifies the individual or offers a reasonable basis for identification, is created or received by a covered entity or an employer, relates to a past, present, or future physical or mental condition, provision of health care, or payment of health care. PHI could include any of the following pieces of information about a patient: name, address of both the pickup and drop-off locations, phone number, medical issue or special care instructions, and payment information. All of our passengers' health information is private, protected, and is not to be shared or distributed according to the rules set out in the HIPAA Privacy Rule. The minimum necessary standard says that protected health information should not be used or disclosed when it is not necessary to satisfy a particular purpose or to carry out a function. This means that Veo will use, disclose, or request the minimum necessary PHI that pertains to the transportation of passengers from one location to another. Our passengers' patient health information can only pass between Veo to you to Veo, you to the passenger. In order to comply with the HIPAA privacy rule, Veo requires that our partner drivers refrain from discussing protected health information beyond that which is the minimum necessary to conduct business. Keep voices down when discussing protected health information. Refrain from discussing protected health information in public areas. Do not relay or discuss protected health information over the phone unless you confirm the identity of the person to whom you are speaking and their authority to receive the protected health information being discussed. If you believe that HIPAA has been violated, like, for example, if your phone is stolen, please contact a Veo representative immediately. As a partner with Veo, remember to always respect and protect the privacy of the passenger and to use the minimum necessary when exchanging information. If you have any additional questions about HIPAA and passenger privacy, please reach out to us. Thanks for watching.